Hi, Meir Ezra here, and I want to talk to you about the future, the day after Corona. So, the Corona disaster will pass, and there will be a day after the Corona, and the question is who will come out winning and who will come out crying or dead? What will define that is actually your level of professionalism, how good you are. Now, when you look at something, let's say you look at a car, you can look at the car and you say this is a car, and that will be your level of understanding. Or when you look at a gearbox or at a gear, you say, well, this is a gear and I'm just changing gears and it's used to, I'm driving the car. And that's a very low level of understanding. To understand something fully, you need to understand the component parts of the thing. And if you don't understand the component parts of the thing, you can drive the car when everything is okay, but you cannot fix it when it's broken. And right now what we have a broken system, we have a situation that we need an engineer. We don't need just a driver, not even a technician. You need to become an engineer for your business. You really need to understand the component part of your business. You need to understand the financial system. You need to understand what is money. And even if you are not Jewish, like me, you need to know money. So what's the handling? The handling is to quickly learn those component parts. It's simpler than it sounds, but it takes some time. It's not overnight. It will take you 30, 40, 50 hours to learn that. But once you learn those component parts, you will see that you will start to improve and you will end up winning. Now, anyone that tells you that he can teach you how to become successful in 25 seconds or 2 hours or 5 easy steps, lie to you. To become successful, even in good times, it takes some work, and in bad times, it takes a lot of work. So if you are willing to work, if you are willing to put if you have what it takes to put the effort to do the work that will bring you success, I suggest that you join the Corona and Cash First Aid for Business Owners, because I will teach you what you need to learn in order to come at the other side winning and somehow survive this insane period. Don't wait. Register Corona and Cash First Aid for Business Owner, but only if you are willing to do the work. If you are looking for 7 easy steps to do nothing, it's not. I'm going to give you 7 very hard steps that if you do them, if you learn them and understand them and apply them and do the work, you will realize that something can be done about it. Right now, you will survive that period and you will end at the other side the winner. Because Corona could be the best thing that ever happened to you, if you know what you are doing. Thank you very much, Meir Ezra, Cape Town, Heaven.